好啦，歡迎嚟到今次整嘅2025 B2 嘅reading 嘅 breakdown 啦。咁我希望都係可以即係由即係簡單啲、直白啲去解釋到。咁你就話我啲嘢會唔會係錯？我覺得有機會會係錯嘅。我第一次去做嘅時候，但係我會右邊有我自己右邊手機就有個 marking scheme 攞嚟自救用嘅，即係 check 答案啱唔啱咁解啫。因為咧要解卷咧，其實你咁樣一定要最後係全部解啱晒啊嘛。咁我可能之前考嘅時候咧，或者話係我之前自己做嘅時候咧，就淨係得即係自己去做 self practice 咧，應該都淨係得30分嘅啫。咁唔係滿分，我知係有啲 sad 嘅，但係有啲人做到就當然佢哋勁啊，但係我唔係嗰種啊嘛。咁所以我都要取長補短咯，所謂。好啊，直入正題啦。今次咧就我會用呢個左邊 reading passage，右邊係 answer 即係 question answer book 嘅方法嚟做啦。咁我唔知會唔會真實少少，定係你哋大家會憎呢個 approach 啦。Anyway，廢話少講。Quiet quitting is a busy term during the round today。咁呢度佢就話 busy 究竟係乜鬼意思啊？咁 busy 咧，佢後邊通常咧，你睇唔明呢一句，你就算話我唔鬼知咩 quiet quitting。我唔鬼知咩係 doing the rounds 咩 buzzy term，咁你睇後邊佢講啲咩咯喎？佢就話 In fact, a Google search produces hits from the Washington Post, the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal and countless academic publications。呢個即係咩啊？就好多人關注呢樣嘢喎，係唔單止啲報章，連啲學術團體都好多人搞呢樣嘢喎。咁佢有冇諗過呢樣嘢？呢個 attention 係好定壞嘅咧？因為 attention 呢樣嘢咧，佢原本係 neutral 嘅。即係非好非壞，佢冇講明係好定壞，所以咧呢個 criticism 咧，佢 inherently 咧係 negative 嘅話，咁就唔需要去理咁多，因為佢唔係因為 not neutral。然後 excitement 咧又係 positive 喎，但係我哋而家想揾嘅係一個 neutral 一個。淨係去講陳述事實嘅一個嘅答案咧，所以呢一個都可以攞走。所以唔係 A 唔係多，咁剩翻就係 B 同 C 睇咯。咁 lively 咧就係通常都係話好多好生動，好多好熱鬧嘅。咁呢個係去到某個 degree 係啱，但係你諗翻起 lively 咧，通常我哋講生動有趣咧，通常都係講一個嘅literal 嘅正面嘅一個解釋，所以呢個都係 positive。咁attention 咧，佢冇講明係positive 或 negative 喎，所以呢個先係真正 neutral 嘅答案。所以如果我哋淨係睇詞性嚟講咧，其實你睇你再睇埋頭先嗰頭兩句咧，喺個 reading passage 度咧，其實咧頭兩句已經可以幫我哋排除晒所有錯嘅答案，所以咧呢題咧就會係 C 啦。最主要嗰句咧就係、produces hits， 跟住就突然間有 Washington Post 啦、New York Times 啦、Wall Street Journal 啦、academic 啦。咁你唔需要睇晒所有字嘅，你淨係需要睇邊啲字對你有用，或者佢大概佢俾到你嘅意思。咁呢度佢大概寓意就係咩啊？就係 many。即係 many 嘅 organisations 啦，即係 give the trend of quiet quitting attention， 或者你意思就係可能話係做啲即係 research 啊，或者係嗰啲reports 啊之類嗰啲嘢。咁佢哋最後都係翻到去嗰個注意，即係突然間多咗人去講關於呢個話題呢樣嘢，所以亦都可以話係 discussion。但係當然啦，我哋攞翻係呢度嗰啲字啊，跟呢度因為佢 attention 咧，即係純粹好多人去睇呢樣嘢，就真係唔係 positive negative。咁我哋排除晒之後咧，真係整翻 C 呢個答案係 neutral 啫。好啦，去到第44題啦。 佢突然間話 doing the rounds today 要你解釋喎，但係我哋頭先唔係去解第一題嘅時候已經解到呢一題嘅答案咩？其實呢個都係承上題嘅做法嘅啫。咁我哋就再睇落去咯喎。咁頭先就話 Google Search 已經有啲用啦，咁可能就話佢係唔一定係 countless 嘅，但係你可以寫 countless。我可能自己寫嘅話咧，我會寫 numerous，因為係好多，我唔知有幾多。咁我就會寫 numerous academic publications 啦。跟住就去講，可能話 keeping attention to 咗，我覺得唔係特別好，可能話佢哋係關於去講呢啲嘢噶嘛，所以我會用 discussing 呢個字啊。跟可能話 discussing the trend on quiet quitting。咁當然啦，唔好學我呢啲懶人啦，寫出 margin 啦，寫出 margin 係唔會俾人 mark 嘅，聽講。其實唔一定係聽講添，總之係一個 good habit，就係你寫啲字唔好太大嚿。好啦，去到第二 part 啦，咁究竟仲有啲咩可以打到？我哋都係睇翻第一段先，因為佢係由 line one 開始啊嘛。咁通常我哋都係睇唔第一句，佢冇任何解釋，我哋睇後邊嗰句。但係後邊嗰句我哋呢一句 in fact 嗰句已經用咗咯喎，咁我哋可以再睇後邊嘅嘛。At this moment, at least 50% of the North American workforce is engaged in a wave of disengagement dubbed quiet quitting。咁我哋見到，我哋唔知佢講咩都好咧，呢度咧佢都有個字係 quiet quitting，即係有啲人係關於 quit，仲有相當嘅數據喎，就係話50% North American 嗰堆人喎，跟住就話佢哋係唔想去 engage 呢樣嘢喎。跟我哋咧DSE 咧就唔使理咁多，即係話。我要轉字呢樣嘢嘅，通常係去到咧嗰啲 Y 類嘅 question 先會轉。咁呢個咧，佢淨係叫你係 find two example，即係淨係需要列出咁樣。即係你列出嘅話，呢樣嘢可以照抄嘅，所以我就抄翻個 passage 就得㗎啦。咁當然啦，盡量就一字不漏啦。我通常就係咁樣去做一個安全啲嘅 approach 啦。咁佢講明啦，呢度係 a way of disengagement dubbed quiet quitting。如果你英文好少少，你會知道 dub 嘅意思係咩？就係講緊命名為 quiet quitting。所以我就會寫翻係 quiet quitting 咧，即係你知道佢成篇文都係講呢個 trend。你就話我如果英文唔好，我點樣睇出嚟？其實都有睇個 title 咯。個 title 直情係講 quiet quitting，咁佢就話呢度有啲人係做呢啲嘢，有啲人係都突然間係關注呢個 trend 或者係join 咗呢個 trend。咁尤其佢話係 workforce 啊嘛，咁 workforce 呢樣嘢應該就係當事人嗰堆，所以我哋就可以諗到係 engage in quiet quitting 咯，即係佢哋係出事嗰個當事人嗰個團體咯。好啦，咁如果你要再多少少解釋嘅話咧，咁其實我覺得呢個就唔需要嘅，因為呢度淨係抄落去啫。但係如果你話諗唔到嘅話，就可能話。咁我覺得咧，唔一定需要係 discussing 呢個字啊，可能咧你可以話 on the subject of 啦，你亦都可以講 mention 啦。但係就話點解我唔可以用 hits 呢個字咧？因為 hits 咧，佢純粹係 search result，即係呢個做嘅人係邊個咧？係 Google。咁佢哋其他嗰啲學術團體係負責做 research 或者係 study 或者係 report 緊之類嗰啲嘢啦。你有冇見到佢咧個性質係唔同㗎？佢唔係要你出 Google 出啲咩，佢要你諗啲 academic 嘅 institution 或者 publication 係出咗啲乜嘢啊嘛。所以呢度咧佢 his 咧就唔可以照抄啦，呢個係考評局想昆你嘅其中一個地方。咁但係第三句咧即係 at this moment 跟住就去到 way or disengagement 啊，包括 quiet quitting 咧，就其實呢個可以照抄啦。咁我再解多少少，如果你唔明嘅話，好。咁50% of NA workforce is engage in 或者係participate in， 但係通常咧，你唔需要去專登咧寫，可能話 participate in， 你要專登去轉啲字，因為咧考評局都係咧中意你去攞翻有用嘅資料抄翻落去就得㗎啦，所以我通常咧就寫翻呢啲嘅。咁你就話咯，你可唔可以學我咁樣寫 NA workforce 嘅？其實就最好唔好嘅，因為咧即係除咗嗰啲咩 isn't 啊、didn't 嗰啲嘢可以做縮減嘅，即係 contraction 呢樣嘢咧，即係譬如話咁樣啦。NA 咧，你第一下雖然咧可能網上嘅人聽得明，但係你而家係用紙本做卷啊嘛，所以就建議你都係咧練翻啲手速，然後咧乖乖地寫翻落去 American 啊。好啊，再落去啦。Explain why the term quiet quitting is misleading。咁 misleading 個字點樣解咧？咁如果你知道佢前面咧係有個 prefix 係 miss， 咁通常咧 miss 通常係一個比較負面啲嘅嘢啦。譬如話你會見到有 mistake 呢樣嘢啦。咁原本 hit 就係你嘅諗法，但係 miss 咧就係壞嘅諗法，壞嘅諗法就所以咧就錯咗啦。咁同樣嘅諗法。而家我哋係 mislead 啊嘛 ，lead 原本係帶領啊嘛，跟住而家我就話錯嘅帶領，咁所以咧佢嘅中文咧其實會解為誤導咯。咁你話 ing 點解啊？咪誤導性的咯。好啊，咁佢就話點解 quiet quitting 呢樣嘢係有啲問題嘅咧？我哋睇 line 6啦，呢度。As many have noted, the term itself is misleading. No, it does not refer to worsley stepping out the door or logging out the group chat without so much as a peace sign emoji, nor does it mean an employee permanently abandoning their post. 咁呢樣嘢咧，所以話唔係呢樣嘢喎，又唔係呢樣嘢喎。咁佢無啦啦擺咁多 no 呢啲嘅之類嘅詞語咧，佢一定就係意思係佢嘅意思唔係你一睇咁簡單，就可能話。It is， 所以我會通常會寫 it is not。It is not 乜乜乜 ，it is not 乜乜乜。考評局個自己嘅答案咧，佢就會寫 does not mean 嘅，或者係 refer to 緊，可能咧呢個就近翻即係平時英文操卷嗰班人會寫嗰啲嘅字詞啦。但係我就可能諗簡單啲，就話唔係呢個，唔係呢個咁。原來 does not refer to 咧同埋 mean 呢樣嘢咧，其實都可以抄嘅。你除非真係話我想用我自己嘅方法嚟理解，但係呢個係好 high risk 嘅，就你可以 say it's not。但係我只不過係 show 你一個alternative 可以接受嘅方案。不過我哋為咗安全起見咧，我哋都係用翻嗰篇文章嚟抄翻就得㗎啦。其實考評局都係唔想你去自己去創造英文啦，或者話去做自己嘅答案出嚟咧，其實佢哋覺得好煩嘅。其實你寫翻啲你搬字過紙就可以㗎啦。咁你就話啦，我可唔可以直接寫入邊啲嘢啊？可以，即係譬如話 wordlessly slipping out the door。跟住佢我啊嘛，外即係你有冇諗過嗰啲數學嗰啲嘅嗰個類似 double equation， 即係一邊 inequality 咁樣啦，即係可能話5等於 x 減2咁樣，即係 say 呢啲嘢啦。咁佢去到呢度咧，佢可能話係我某個數啊，但係我唔識數學啦。咁總之我咧，佢通常你個 condition 就係 A B， 佢其中一個 satisfy 到咧，就已經係 finish 㗎啦。咁 咁所以咧，你呢個 slipping out the door or logging out the group chat，你只需要寫其中一個就得夠㗎啦。咁同樣道理第二個啦，咁我哋睇下有冇我啦，冇我咁你一定要寫翻成個樣嘢，就可能話 it does not refer to an employee permanently abandoning their post。好啦，再落去啦。咁因為呢度咧就真係冇得解嘅，即係呢個淨係話 explain， 雖然佢大概佢意思係 why 啦，但係佢呢度其實佢已經俾晒你啲答案，其實佢都係想叫你去抄翻it does not mean 呢樣嘢。你只要明白咗呢個咧，你係唔需要去慢慢去 paraphrase 去解佢嘅。所以呢啲係我會算係假，即係唔一定需要你自己去唔需要你自己去用太多嘅思維，你只需要諗到嗰個即係 does not refer to it is not 呢個咧，就其實已經係搞掂咗，即係就可以照抄。好，去到第46題啦。Find 2 examples from paragraph 2，咁都係去翻第二段啦，跟住去到話有 line 10喎，咁 line 10我已經俾咗我哋啊。好啦，on focusing on what a job is and isn't， 跟佢就話第二段。咁但係呢個已經係最後一句咯喎，咁如果我哋去到死路，咁我哋可以點啊？行翻前咯。佢就話啦 ，Carrie Boucher PhD，a professor 乜乜乜 defines quiet quitting。咁呢個 quiet quitting 嘅意思係咩咧？但係我哋都係最後一句，所以就冇用啦。咁所以呢句唔使睇啦。跟住再睇前啦，佢就 quiet quitters believe a more accurate way to describe this is working your contract or acting your wage。咦？佢就話已經有一個好好嘅方法去解釋呢樣嘢咯喎，係咪咧？係嘅。咁佢嘅 example 就係話我做啲咩行為咧，係咧去解釋翻呢個 what a job is and isn't。咁呢度 job is and isn't 咧，就係話佢只需要係做關於呢樣嘢，呢個工作嘅其中一樣嘢，即係所謂咧，你有冇聽過香港有個 meme 就叫做咧咩盡忠職守，然後就話夠鐘即走嘅。咁其實 quiet quitting 咧都係同一個嘅一個類似咁樣嘅理念咯。咁呢度就寫啲咩咧？就直接抄翻佢講嘅嘢 ，working your contract， 即係跟住嗰個合約嘅條款去做嘢，即係我淨係做9至5啫。或者跟住亦都係 acting your wage， 即係簡單嚟講，個 wage 係咩意思？就係 salary 或者係 income 或者係人工，即係就話你俾我幾多人工，我咪做幾多嘢咯。咁呢個就係即係我唔會去做 extra 嘢，我唔會去做 OT。我覺得呢個就係 quiet quitting 佢最主要講嘅嘢，就係我要用一個 minimum 嘅 effort， 最少嘅嘢，最少嘅付出，就仍然可以 keep 到我嗰份 job。好啊，落去啦。佢就話呢個係 paragraph 3，仲要係 not mention， 亦即係我哋又要用排除法嘅東東啦。咁我哋去第3段去睇到，睇翻左邊先啊。好啦 cause of quiet quitting， 我哋睇下佢用啲咩字喎。佢一開始要講好多字啊，但係佢話 less 係乜嘢 ，more 係乜嘢，即係意思係咩啊 ？less 係乜嘢，跟少啲，咁通常就係唔係答案啦。more 係乜嘢咧？就係答案啦。好啦 ，a long overdue reckoning with outdated practices。跟 outdated practice 即係咩啊？舊咯。跟 outdated 同呢個嘢已經係關事，我就已經可以 tick 到啦。跟住再諗啦 ，stale office culture， 跟住有冇啲 office 東西嘅嘢咧？冇啦。咁我哋再繼續睇落去咯喎。For some people, it's probably a sign of dissatisfaction。dissatisfaction 你見唔見到邊度都有 dis 呢個字啊？或者係 即係唔開心 upset 啊disappointment 啊 unhappiness 呢啲嘢啊。咁呢度就有 dissatisfaction 即係同埋 discontent 啦。in the workforce 咁，因為佢呢度最主要都係話 for some people 嘛，咁 for some people 係 refer to 邊個啊？我哋再睇前少少喎。咁通常都係個 boss 唔會話佢自己即係唔中意做佢份工㗎，佢通常都係收晒啲錢㗎嘛。咁所以咧應該就係佢樓下嗰班人就係所有啲 employee 啦，佢 refer to 嘅嘢。好啦，咁如果 discontent 都用埋嘅話，亦即係剩翻呢兩樣嘢啫喎。我哋再睇下第三段仲有啲咩講咯喎。And a sign that they are going to leave。咁頭先就話 it's probably a sign of 啊嘛，即係已經係講明呢樣嘢係準備要 tick，就係話係啱嘅答案。所以呢樣嘢就話 dissatisfaction 係已經 tick 咗啦，跟住 going to leave 又係 tick 咗啦。咁樣睇嘅話咧，唯一剩翻嘅答案咧，邊樣嘢係 not mention 啊？冇講過就係 workload 就係工業，即係作業啊，或者話係工作比較繁重嘅問題就冇講啦。所以我哋呢度會睇得出係度。如果真係要寫落嚟嘅話咧，我哋會諗到 outdated practices。out 啊嘛，你話一個人太 out 啊嘛，所以咪 old 咯。跟呢個所以咧就 C is mentioned， 跟住再落去啦。For some people it is probably a sign of， 即係簡單嚟講 reasons will be mentioned 啦。咁 dissatisfaction 呢個字係 negative 嘅，咁我哋睇翻上去啦。discontent 呢個字都係 negative 嘅，所以咧我哋已經可以揾到係 link to discontent， 所以咧就係關 A is mentioned。再落埋去咯喎，就係話嗰個 they are going to leave 就係關 resignation 咯。所以 B is mentioned， 咁所以 since A、B、C are mentioned， 所以就 D is not mentioned。搞掂。好啦，再落去啦。第48題 ，What is the purpose of paragraph 3？ 咁呢個就係叫你去解翻咧成個 paragraph 3嘅主旨係咩咯？佢就話啦，我哋用啲咩字都好，其實咧 quiet quitting 咧唔關啲人去反抗嘅事，而係佢哋話咧啲人太過即係啲工作嘅標準太過過時啊，亦都佢哋即係有啲嘅不忿啊，同埋佢亦都想去即係唔撈啦，所以但係佢話有啲人咧就有其他嘅諗法。咁所以咧，佢有冇話 define 咧？佢冇喎，佢因為佢對唔同嘅人咧，佢就話有唔同嘅諗法啊嘛。即係所以佢就冇一個即係清一色嘅 definition。如果通常呢個係 more than one 嘅話咧，就通常咧就唔係答案啦。佢亦都冇話，佢亦都話 no matter what terminology we use 啦。即係簡單嚟講就係 cannot define 啦 ，undefined 啦。另外一樣嘢就係 for others， 即係最後一句 is something else 呢一度。所以呢個嘅 A 咧就唔關事啊。好啦，去到 B 我哋再睇啦。 indicating that quiet quitting is a modern issue。跟住好多人咧，佢就可能會覺得outdated practices 頭先有講係 old 啊嘛，但係你要諗下 quiet quitting 呢樣嘢咧，係越嚟越多人留意呢樣嘢喎，亦都有好多好多嘅原因去發生喎。咁如果你話我唔知道呢樣嘢係 old 喎，咁你諗下佢點解係而家先講咧？仲要你再睇翻第一段啦，即係就話 quiet quitting is a busy term doing the rounds today， 即係簡單嚟講 today problem， 即係簡單嚟講，佢係仲係咪 old 咧 ？No， 就係話其實呢個咧係一個好現今嘅問題，唔係一個舊嘅問題。但係咧，佢有冇喺第三段度直接咁講咧？佢講嘅大部分係咩咧？佢講嘅大部分係員工唔想做嘢喎，而唔係話現今有呢個問題。呢個咧係應該一早已經係解釋咗㗎啦，係第一段。咁你見唔見到呢個係 not paragraph 3？所以呢個有 X。所以第二個呢個都唔係答案，即係呢個係已經算係 given paragraph 1。好啦 ，suggesting alternative reasons， 但係咧佢有冇講 is something else？ 佢有冇解釋佢後邊嗰啲答案咧？冇。所以如果再咁樣排除法嘅話，剩翻嘅唯一一個答案咧就係多啦。我知今次解釋咧可能係會比較亂少少，所以我有機會咧會重錄呢一個嘅，不過睇情況啦。好啦，第49 in paragraph 4 which word or phrase， 咁 which word or phrase 即係一或者多過一嘅字，即係呢個一啦，都話多過一啦，即係 to or above 啦。means to finish your work activity。我哋去睇下第四段有冇啲咩特別嘅字，就係話做完嘢咯喎。好啦，通常咧你睇一段咧，其實你可以睇第一句同最後一句。點解咧？會幫你慳好多時間，因為通常佢都係有啲 topic sentence 之類嘅東西。say being forced to work at home is an eye-opening experience， 跟住就話 healthy boundaries 呢啲係廢話啦。咁去到最後一句咯喎。pursuing 呢個 work-life enrichment， 跟住就 self-care， 跟住 be success in the other， 又好似唔關事喎。咁點算咧？如果真係揾唔到嘅話咧，咁我哋就睇埋中間啊！真係可惜地。好啦，跟再睇中間咯喎。and enforcing these boundaries， 咁 boundaries 首先知你冇用啦，再繼續睇 leadership 又唔關事啊 ，slacking 唔係開工啦嘅嘢唔關事啊，跟住再落去咯喎。關唔關 work 事嘅？但係我哋要 finish work 喎 ，passion 又唔關 work 事喎，跟住就話 once you clock out for the day， 咦？好似呢度就有啲用咯喎，因為呢個就係話 finish 啊嘛，即係 for the day clock out， 你抌走個鐘，你咩都唔理 ，we 咁咧就個鐘冇咗，咁你仲使唔使睇住個鐘做嘢啊？唔使咯喎，咁就等於做完咯喎，搞掂咯喎。所以咧你可以寫晒成個嘅，但係如果最少咧就係 clock out。有啲人咧就會寫埋 you clock out for the day， 咁就求安全啦。咁我自己都係會求安全嘅，所以我就會寫 clock out for the day。跟 you 係唔一定需要嘅，即係考評局嗰啲咩括號嗰類咧，就係話唔一定需要嘅字，但係佢冇括號嘅字咧，就通常都係必要嘅。咁即係我要講明唔啱嗰啲答案點解係唔啱先。即係 slacking 點解唔啱啊？因為係 not work。咁點解 work 又唔啱啊？因為 not mentioned finish 啊嘛。跟住你就話我見到 boundaries 呢個字係咁出現喎，咁關唔關事咧？咁 boundaries 嘅意思咧，佢意思係即係邊界。即係簡單嚟講就係佢唔會做嘅嘢 ，things you will not do。 緊同嗰個 relation 關唔關事？有少少諗到，但係問題係咧，佢係 no finish， 所以又題錯嘅。好啦，去到第50題啦。Budget 咁我唔鬼知 Budget 係邊個咯，所以我淨係睇 lines 幾多嘅啫，我通常。好啊，我哋去到第17、18啦。咁呢度17、18睇左邊，跟住就話 Budget said 某幾句。What line enrichment prioritizes self-care in one area and hence to be success in the other。跟住佢就話 one area 係乜嘢咧？你哋第二個 area 係咩咧？佢就話refer to 乜嘢喎？咁其實我哋可以睇呢樣嘢。佢一開始咧，佢前一句係講啲咩？因為我哋呢一句係冇資料啊嘛。跟前一句就話 invest in your work， 跟住 redirect that passion to once you clock out for the day。即係簡單嚟講，其中一個就係 work。跟住第二個通常我哋會講啲咩啊？通常我哋會提嘅 term 咧就係 work-life balance。但係如果你淨係話 life 咧，可能就唔夠。咁點算咧？咁就要講係自己嘅私人生活，或者自己即係放工之後唔關 work 嘅生活。所以咧，佢呢度會寫嘅答案咧就要自己諗出嚟。呢個就會係即係 personal life，因為咧你嘅 life 咧，如果你淨係講 life 有啲咩問題啊？就冇去exclude work 呢樣嘢，即係簡單嚟講，你即係就仍然有 work， 所以就冇辦法去做出一個 difference， 去做出一個 contrast， 一個比較。所以咧就呢個係 work， 呢個係你自己嘅生活，所以就係 personal life。你另外一個答案咧都可以接受嘅咧，就係life outside work， 亦即係 not related to work。第51題啦。What does it refer to？ 所有嘢關於 it 呢樣嘢咧，全部都要睇前面。佢哋話 line 21之前，即係 line 21嗰句嘢話之前。好啦，我哋即係淨係需要睇第20、21啫喎。如果得第5段嘅話 ，The signs are all around us. Productivity is no longer seen as a badge of honour it once was, and Gen Z are starting to question how relevant it is while seeking better frameworks。乜。好啦，即係我哋要揾翻個嘢睇邊啦，21行個嘢睇到。喂，好啦，跟就話啦，跟前面可能佢有冇其他 it 啊？應該都係講翻同一樣嘢嘅喎，喺度。跟住你見到 a badge of honour， 仲有 productivity 呢兩個 term。咁 badge of honour 咧，佢關唔關事咧？係唔關事，因為我哋而家講做嘢啊嘛。咁做嘢點解無啦啦有個獎章咧？係唔關事，所以咧佢應該係咧佢攞嚟形容之前嘅嘢，所以佢唯一一個字咧有機會係關事嘅話咧係 productivity。好啦，去到第52題啊。通常啲 true false not given 咧係難搞啲嘅，但係即係好多人都可能會攞多啲時間去做呢份嘅。但係其實咧唔一定係咁難嘅。你首先揾翻咧佢相關嘅字先，跟住再諗下佢呢度咧都係嗰啲詞性嘅正反咧，通常都幫到手啊。好啦，譬如話我哋首先睇下一個 5。佢就話 Gen Z 喺邊度啊 ？Gen Z 喺度喎，第一行尾，第二行頭喎。好啦，No one today believes Gen Z are hardworking。佢有冇講到呢樣嘢咧？我哋再睇落去咯喎。睇下仲有冇 Gen Z 嘅其他嘅地方？咦，佢就話 believes Gen Z work hard 喎。 跟住即係已經有一個人係 Billie Jean Seaworth 係多過零喎，所以咧即係呢度就係話 at least one person thinks Jean Seaworth hard。咁係咪 no one believes Jean Seaworth hardworking 咧？唔係喎，咁已經可以 force 咗佢咯喎。好啊，再繼續落去咯喎。Online groups helping people to reveal different aspects of the lives bloom during the pandemic。咁 bloom 咧，通常咧你見唔見啲花係盛開咁樣啦？咁盛開咧通常都好靚噶嘛，咁咪係一件好事咯。好啦，我哋睇呢度啊，就話啦，the Instagram account The Net Ministry has a similar popularity arc。跟住即係咧，突然間多咗好多人去睇，係 a huge explosion of followers， 即係突然間多咗好多人 since the start of the pandemic。numbering in the tens of thousands per day， 即係每日有成1萬幾，即係幾或者甚至係幾萬個嘅 follower 一路喺度加上去。咁呢啲 online group 咧，即係關於跟其實唔關事，因為呢個 Instagram account， 所以我自己都睇錯咗啦。咁佢應該係睇一啲 group 啊嘛，唔係淨係人啊，唔係淨係一個 account 啊嘛，所以呢個要睇清楚。咁佢前面就話 one online community， 咁呢個就真係 group 啦。That exists for people，who want help source an upsurge in followers。你諗下啦 ，upsurge 呢個字喎。咁係 up 啊嘛，咁咪上升咯。咁上升同盛開嘅詞性都係 positive， 咁所以就係 true 啦。然後跟住而家先講 Net Ministry， 佢就話 its growth in its number of followers is unique。咁有冇咧？咁頭先佢就話 online community 已經有多啲人啊嘛，跟住佢就話 has a similar。咁如果有 similar， 即係多過一個情況都有出現呢個嘅growth in followers 喎。咁所以就係你見到 similar popularity arc， 即係簡單嚟講就係 more than one 就 not unique 啦。所以咧個答案咧都會係 false。去到最後啦 ，tens of thousands of people complain about their jobs every day。你要留意，雖然有 tens of thousands of people 呢樣嘢，但係有冇講 complain 呢樣嘢？我哋睇清楚咯。佢就話多咗啲 follower，numbering in the tens of thousands。跟住呢個係阿 Tricia 佢自己嘅諗法，咁唔關事喎。And to many others, it's about not running ourselves into the ground。即係簡單嚟講，唔好似唔係好似嗰隻鴕鳥咁樣將個頭抌落，即係抌落個地下度，跟住咩都唔睇，唔係喎。咁佢哋咧又冇即係淨係講多咗 follower， 同埋 not running ourselves into ground。咁有冇一個即係呢兩樣嘢都係咧比較 neutral 嘅，佢有冇係 negative？No。跟住 no 嘅話咧，呢個佢冇講明嘅話咧，就直情係話 not given 啦。因為咧，佢真係咩 complain 嘅嘢係都冇講過，佢淨係話多咗 follower 啫嘛個事實。但係佢冇講佢哋有冇做多少嘢，即係簡單嚟講，呢個字係冇出現過，所以就知道唔關事嘅。同埋佢 tens of thousands of people 咧，都係講 follower 呢樣嘢，所以就完全唔關事啦。 好啦，我到第53題啦，佢就話 line 27 suggest 通常咧就係逼你去諗一啲 why 啊，或者係要自己 paraphrase 嘅，即係簡單嚟講就係用或者話 use your own words 去作就係呢樣嘢啦。所以呢個咧通常都係咧啲考評局咧攞嚟分啲高階啲嘅 candidate 嘅一個難嘅題目，所以你第一次做唔到都好正常嘅。佢就話 only one note in the scoring chorus。in chorus 咧通常就係話一個合唱，或者係一堆人一齊去即係做呢個即係和聲咁樣啦。咁簡單嚟講就係有 many people 呢樣嘢啦。佢哋話 only one note in the scoring chorus， 即係佢係咪唯一一個人唱啊？係咪好 unique 嘅一樣嘢啊？唔係喎，咁可能你可以寫，譬如話類似 this trend is not unique。咁你話呢個係咩 trend 啊？咁你可能要寫翻喎，咁你就可能話寫翻 the quiet quitting trend is not unique。咁你就話仲有冇其他嘅講法咧？你就可以話咧，it's not just a singular occurrence， 呢個難講啲啊。It's not just another trend。咁簡單嚟講就係話 ，we should look at the bigger picture。我幾中意呢個講法嘅，就係話我哋應該睇真啲，睇晒成個局。佢呢樣嘢咧，佢淨係一個即係所謂冰山之角 tip of the iceberg。但我覺得 the quiet quitting trend is not unique 係最快講嘅一樣嘢，因為你唔係即係簡單嚟講 ，you are not the only singer in this scoring chorus。好啦，第54題啊，我哋去第29行啦喎，睇左邊。Who does we refer to？ 跟住就突然間有個 we 喺度咯 ，the way we've been working。跟住我哋再睇翻前面有啲咩喎？前面個 we 有冇多啲 we 啊？有喎，但係佢就話，但係呢度都係話 we 喎，咁全部都係 we，佢冇講嘅話咧，就通常可以 assume 係 readers 或者就 public 啦。咁呢個咧我知係平時啲人冇乜講啦，但係我覺得即係呢個咧係值得去知道呢樣嘢，即係通常就 public 咯，我會寫 the general public 咯。咁呢兩個答案已經係最準嘅答案，但係如果你真係話我仲有其他答案嘅話咧，我都寫埋出嚟啊。因為佢係俾所有人所有讀者睇啊嘛，所以 everyone 都係一個接受到嘅答案。好啦，55題 ，use a word or phrase in each blank to complete the following statement based on the information in paragraph 7。你見唔見到佢話 based on the information 啊？咁其實呢樣嘢係即刻諗到咧，就係可能 may need to use your own words。咁點解係 may need to use your own words 咧？因為如果咧佢嗰個佢文章入面嘅字已經夠好嘅話，你都可以用翻文章。但係話，如果個文章個字係解釋唔到嘅話，你要自己揾翻個字去解釋翻。好啦 ，employers have responded to workers' apparent slacking， 即係 lazy 啦，being lazy 啦，擺乜乜乜。The duties and opportunities of relevant staff resulting in dire consequences。咁通常 consequences 嗰啲後果通常都係 negative 嘅。跟住 this has been labelled 乜乜乜。跟住之後我哋再睇翻有冇相似 quiet quitting 呢個 trend 嘅字咯喎。咁我哋睇 paragraph 7啦，佢就話成段都要睇。咁我哋當然啦，就睇第一行同埋最後一行先啦。Divergent perspectives 唔關事啊，即係都冇人講呢啲嘢啦，都冇人講相關嘅嘢。但係跟住佢就話啦，cutting responsibility 好似有啲相關嘅字咯喎，但係呢個最後一句就要睇前面咯喎。有冇多少字咧？佢就話，跟住你再睇下 quiet quitting 已經喺度喎，跟住其實有冇啲相關嘅 term 咧？label 一個新嘅 term 咧係有嘅喎。佢呢個就話 encounter a new term quiet firing，跟住再睇其他佢嗰啲解釋啱唔啱咯。Reputation suffer a result of perceived responsibility apathy. Responsibilities are gradually diminished。咁呢度佢已經係俾少啲嘢你做啊嘛。所以呢度咧，佢亦真係講明緊呢個嘅 trend，所以我就會講係 quiet firing。即係簡單嚟講就係 similar to quiet quitting。同埋佢就係reputation suffer 啦。Responsibilities are diminish。咁 diminish 咧，即係簡單嚟講少咗，跟住佢仲會話 termination， 即係簡單嚟講就係 unemployment 啊，或者 firing 啊，所以咧呢度已經揾到相似嘅字啦。咁就話啦 lazy 呢樣嘢究竟可以點樣去講呢樣嘢咧？咁佢就話 duties and opportunities， 咁啊 diminish 頭先我哋即係如果你理解到嘅話咧，係跌嘅呢個意思，即係唔俾你嘢做，跟住就要話因為你冇嘢做，跟住我就炒咗你，所以咧你可以諗下 diminishing 除咗呢個字之外，仲有冇其他嘅字咧？因為 diminish 咧通常都係咧去講少咗啊嘛，但係考評局咧係想你用其他字嘅，因為佢話 based on the information 啊嘛，所以你要自己 phrase 翻 diminish 唔可以咁樣用。跟住可以有啲咩？最簡單嘅就係 reducing 嘅。咁你就話我真係唔知 lowering 得唔得喎？咁 lowering 咧通常都係講一啲通常都係講啲可能話液體啊，或者話係即係不可數嗰啲數字啊嘛。即係 lowering 咧通常都有講可能話嗰啲可能話藥劑可能話5 ml 咁樣咧，但係呢個 duty and opportunity 咧呢個係冇單位噶嘛。no 呢個 unit 噶嘛，咁 no unit 咧就唔關 lowering 事嘅，就要用 reduce 呢個字啊。咁仲有冇多少字咧？其實仲有嘅，另外一個就係話 limiting。另外一個咧就比較純粹啲嘅字咧，就係 cutting。所以 reducing、limiting、cutting 咧都係可以接受嘅答案，而 lowering 唔係，因為佢唔關嗰啲 unit 嘢嘅事。好啦，去到第56題啦。Reputation suffer as a result of perceived apathy。咁當然啦，咁你要諗翻究竟係邊個出事咧？你呢個公司有邊個？有 boss， 有佢樓下嗰班人就係 employee 咯喎。咁通常咧，佢呢個就佢頭先我哋睇翻嗰題係 quiet firing 啊嘛，即係簡單嚟講，即係佢即係俾你唔做嘢，但係佢之後炒咗你，咁你諗下邊個係出事嗰個？即係佢個老細成日都係請得翻，即係可以去做嘢嘅人噶嘛，所以咧受害者咧，即係苦主嗰班人咧，就係 employees 啦。咁你就話我喺邊度揾到咧？我唔識睇前面個題目喎，咁都有得解釋嘅。咁呢度嗰句apathy 喺邊度咧？就係話 quiet firing, reputation suffer as a result of perceived apathy。咁 firing 咧就係關嗰個嘅跟住再睇清楚佢前面仲有冇一句可以講啦。Abortus outline the perils of quiet quitting。咁 quiet quitting 我哋頭先都知道啦，係 employees 做啊嘛，即係如果個 boss 唔撈嘅話，佢自己就冇晒錢，咁就唔關事啦。咁所以咧，佢 quiet firing 都係關於 employees， 即係簡單嚟講 no employee， 所以就係苦主就係 employees。亦都會影響咗佢嘅 reputation， 即係向下。所以咧個答案就會係 employees 啦。然後再落去第57題咯喎 ，ending someone's employment 又係同樣喺第7段，咁你睇有冇啲咩字咯喎。嗱呢個有機會係會話 ending 啊嘛，即係你如果你識 termination 咧，就應該已經即刻寫到落去。 你話如果我唔識點樣去揾呢啲字，通常咧你試下揾 noun 會易少少。跟住你諗下termination 呢個字有啲似咩咧？可能係似一啲finish 啊，或者係 elimination 嘅意思。咁你覺得個意思似嘅話，就已經可以用到㗎啦。因為咧，佢之前就係話 responsibility or diminish 咪即係你少啲嘢做，跟住就少啲嘢做，咁咪炒咗你咯。咁你即係如果你諗到個民意嘅話咧，你就諗到佢哋 finish 咗啦，即係唔再同你做嘢，咁所以其中第一個答案就係 termination。咁第二個啦，我哋再睇下前面或者後邊有冇啲嘢，通常都係睇後邊嘅。咁可能就話咦 colonies always have subtle ways to nudge people out the door， 即係出咗去，佢仲喺唔喺呢間房入邊啊？就唔喺咯。所以 out the door 就大概都係攞走嘅，但係你要講即係推佢出去趕下啊嘛，所以就 include 埋 nudge people 呢個嘅 term 啦，呢個 phrase 啦。好啦，去到第58啦，跟住呢個咧 937，咁首先我哋睇937啦。咦，已經一開始就見到呢個 Wari 呢個人咯喎。好啦 Wari 呢個人佢講啲咩啊？佢就話 decision， 我哋睇下有冇 decision 呢個字咯。Also believes the decision won't serve employees long term either。咁我哋就要諗翻清楚，佢前面又有講 quiet quitting 啦，又有講 quiet firing 咧，究竟係邊一個咧？我哋睇下，我哋其實可以睇後邊嗰句就知道啦。佢就話 silence your own voice 喎。跟住又話depriving yourself of the opportunity to stay to change。跟住 yourself 通常咧，咁係咩意思咧？即係你自己唔去做嘢，你就住唔到啊嘛。咁佢嘅意思佢同埋佢前面都有講係 employee 嘅問題啊嘛。咁所以咧，呢三個嘅證據之下咧，我哋已經可以知道佢係講 employee 嘅嘢，即係唔係講阿 boss 去懟入嚟，唔係講 boss 去懟入嚟，即係 boss kill employees 啊。跟住就係 employees don't work much 啦。咁因為佢影響係佢講嘅 employee 自己做嘅嘢嘛，所以呢個就係講 quiet quitting 嘅呢個 trend。好啊，第59題啦。complete the following diagram， 即係都係 fill in the blanks 之類，跟住就話 the possible consequences of quiet quitting。你記唔記得 consequences 通常係咩啊？通常都係 negative 噶嘛，即係我哋要諗啲 negative 嘅嘢，仲要睇第8段啦。跟住就話 the work of quiet quitters。Tensions could arise within teams at work。即係簡單嚟講，我哋要揾 tension 啦 ，tension 揾到啦。好啦，要跟 tension 前面咧，仲有冇啲咩嘢咧？Depriving yourself of the work to change the opportunity to change that organisation。咁亦即係少啲人去做嘢咯喎。咁如果少啲人做嘢嘅話咧？咁你諗下 quiet quitter 唔做嘢，咁究竟係啲人要邊個去做啊？即係簡單嚟講，邊個唔做嘢，跟住搞到邊個要搞掂佢哋啲嘢啊？你如果諗到呢樣嘢，就會知道咧，就會知道個答案係咩。但係我哋再睇清楚少少啊，點樣去 quiet quitters 去影響到 progress 咧？你記唔記得前面咧？Progress 咪話 change that organisation 嘅，即係應該係關前面嗰句前面嘅嘢，因為有個句號啊嘛喺度。Progress 就同 change 咧係相似嘅。咁我哋睇前面喎，佢就話 silence your own voice in an organisation。咁呢樣嘢咧，因為 silence your own voice 你唔知，即係你粒聲唔出唔係噶嘛，咁。即係你究竟係要做啲乜嘢先俾到佢個自己嘅一個嘅諗法出嚟咧？應該就係話do not 可能話 share their ideas 或者 opinions，咁先係講到話係有呢、個佢自己改變到呢樣嘢嘅機會咯，所以呢個係要 paraphrase 出嚟嘅，即係要自己諗出嚟。跟住咁你諗下邊個要幫你做咯喎？就係 colleagues 啦，或者係 other workers 要做呢樣嘢。所以呢度就會係 colleagues 啦。咁佢就話呢度有冇 colleagues 呢個字咧？係有嘅喎。Fellow colleagues who may have to pick up the slack， 亦即係執，即係簡單嚟講就係執翻你個蘇州屎。所以 pick up 咧就你解釋埋就係幫你做埋佢。然後 colleagues 呢樣嘢咧就係co-workers 或者係即係 other employees， 咁應該個意思相關嘅話咧都會收你，但係你當然啦，你要記得個定律喺 reading 入邊咧就係抄大過 paraphrase， 有得抄嘅話咧就唔需要 paraphrase 咁解。好啦，去到第60題啦。哇！呢個咁大嘅 summary clause 究竟點解咧？我哋睇清楚佢係用即係 using the words from paragraph 9嘅定係 based on the information。咁今次係 based on the information 啊嘛，即係考評局又考我哋啦，又要 may need to use own words 啦。咁我哋就睇翻第9段咯喎。哇！第9段好長喎，大佬。好啦 ，the youth of today are digital natives。我哋睇下有冇 digital natives 呢啲嘅字啊。咁第一下咧，我係睇唔到嘅。咁如果你話我第一下睇唔到嘅話咧，你唔使咁心急，或者唔使咁驚住嘅。你睇下第2題先，或者即係睇你第一個，你會覺得你見到嘅問題，即係有冇啲譬如話有用嘅東西，譬如話 influencers online quote。咦，佢呢度有啲開引號生引號喎。咁我哋呢一段有冇啲開引號生引號咧？咦，有喎，仲要係講 influencer 添喎。咁我哋睇下佢啲咩咯喎？咦，佢就話前面就話 the movement's origins can be traced to TikTok， 跟住就話咦 quiet quitting 佢唔可以話 origin 噶嘛，即係 origin 係一個 noun 嚟噶嘛，佢呢度係 verb 啊嘛。咁唔關事嘅，呢個係唔嘅意思，但係唔係 verb 嚟嘅。但係咁啱係 verb 啫，所以咧我會寫可能話 started began 呢類嘅字。如果你深少少咧，你有機會可以拗下 originated work 唔 work， 但係我就唔建議嘅，我就覺得用簡單嘅字 started 就搞掂啦。好啦，咁去翻前面咯喎 ，the fact many prefer studying and working rather than in real life。咁究竟呢個點樣答咧？咁我哋就睇咯喎 ，they are digital natives who prefer Zoom lectures to the real thing。即係 real thing 就係 real life，跟 Zoom。佢個唔同嘅係咩啊？即係佢即刻有個 contrast 係 online 咯。即係呢度，你睇翻第44行嘅話，你就知道咧 Zoom 應該係網上嘅東西，而唔係 real life。咁呢個就要自己去 paraphrase，因為唔係全部人都係 Zoom 噶嘛。所以一定要即係唔係全部都 Zoom 嘛？仲有 Microsoft Teams 啊、Google Classroom 各類嘅即係網上嘅會議嘅方法。所以咧，即係網上上堂嘅方法，所以要講 online 先可以即係完美咁去包圍到個答案。跟住就話啦，前面就話 resentment from being moaning about quiet quitters being on social media。咁通常咧 quiet quitters 係 employee 嘛，咁應該鬧佢哋嗰班人係邊個啊？唔會係其他 employee 喎，應該通常都係啲 boss 去鬧。我覺得睇清楚咯喎。咦？佢話係 generational disdain 喎，唔一定係 boss 喎。咁 generational，咁我哋一開始啲人咧，佢就話 if these kids would get on TikTok，即係簡單嚟講 kid 係 young 啊嘛。咁簡單嚟講，即係其他嘅 generation 咧，即係可能話Gen X、Gen Y 咧，就應該係 older 嗰堆人咯喎。咁比較啊嘛，所以就要加翻 ER 就係 older 啦。好啦。然後再去翻 digital natives，which proved to be murmur to them in their studies during the pandemic。咁佢哋有冇好處咧？係有喎。That made them adaptable。有冇得抄咧？就冇得抄嘅，因為佢呢個咧adaptable 咧係一件好事啊嘛。咁好事通常可以解咩啊？可以解 useful 咯，或者係 good 咯 ，beneficial 呢類嗰啲字咯。但係佢應該唔會淨係想去話 good 咯，但係 good 應該都接受到，即係考評局只不過想你去用 beneficial 啲高級啲嘅字啦，即係都係欺負良好市民嘅行為啦。因為 good 我其實覺得真係可以接受嘅，但係唔好聽我嘅話啦，當然就聽考評局嘅話，你就會安全少少啦。However，after starting 乜嘢 ，this has resulted in some resentment from older workers。跟佢原本就係話studying 啊嘛，跟而家就 studying 完，即係畢業嘅之後就係開工咯喎，所以應該就係 after starting work。咁你就話啦，可唔可以 starting working 嘅咧？其實唔係好得，但係咧考評局都照俾你，即係 work 同 working 都得，因為有啲人諗唔到。但係如果你話最正確嘅答案應該係 work 咯。好啊，第61題啦 ，forebears。你真係唔知 forebears 嘅話，你去玩翻 Elden Ring 啊，你去睇其中一個 boss 佢有講 forebears 之類嘅話 forefathers one and all 咩 bear witness 嗰啲咁樣嘅東西啊。好啦，咁 forebears mentioned in paragraph 10，我哋睇翻 paragraph 10先咯。An associate professor of computer science posits that Gen Z is better equipped than its forebears to leverage technology to push back against workplace norms。咁頭先我哋即係誠信題，我哋見到咧即係 Gen Z 同其他人啊嘛 ，for 係前面啊嘛。咁通常都冇人係遲過 Gen Z，仲要喺工作嗰班人啊嘛。咁所以呢堆應該係 older 嗰堆人。咁如果你諗到呢樣嘢嘅話咧，你就會諗到，咁應該係先前嘅人，咁可能係咪 older 咧？咁我哋睇清楚先，我哋再睇清楚前後一個有冇啲其他嘅有用嘅答案咯。佢話 Gen Z enters the workforce with a mindset that is notably distinct from the millennials who preceded them。咁 preceded 即係前啦，咁佢應該係都係講翻 millennials。咁 millennials 咧，如果你即係有讀書嘅話，你會知道咧，就係 Gen Y 嚟嘅，即係唔係 Gen C 嚟嘅。咁你就話我信唔信得過你㗎？你係咪流㗎？咁我幫你 check 翻啦。係 Gen Y。嗱，我唔係亂咁教嘢嘅。只不過呢個就佢唔 expect 你出呢個答案啫，因為佢都冇講明啦，所以你應該都抄翻 millennial。咁 millennial 咧，你要知道咧，佢呢度係有兩個 N 嘅，即係你如果有睇翻Star Wars 佢個千年鷹咧，佢真係寫 Millennium Falcon 咧，佢係兩個 N 嘅。好啦，第62題啦 ，Newport discusses quiet quitting in relation to Gen Z， 跟住就話 paragraph 10啦 ，why Gen Z's use of technology could be both positive and negative。咁 why 咧通常都係要自己寫啲嘢啦，咁我哋睇下有冇得抄先當然。好，第十啦，佢就話有啲嘢係好用喎，佢話 Gen Z is better equipped 喎，佢亦都有個 different mindset 喎。咁究竟我哋可以抄啲咩咧？我哋應該可以話 better equipped 即係 better 啦。佢嗰個 point 就係 to 乜嘢啊？佢就可以做啲咩啊？Gen Z can 就直接照抄翻，睇下得唔得 ？Leverage technology， 咦用 technology 好啲喎。To push back against workplace norms， 咦呢個直情係一個 point 嚟喎，咁我就唔使再諗其他嘢咯喎。跟住你仲要諗到technology leverage 通常都係一件好事，所以係可以用喺 positive 嗰個位嘅。咁 negative 咧，我哋再落去睇咯喎。Gen Z form an understanding of the world in which the boundaries between the digital and the real are blurred. They are so thoroughly mix work and self, the suffocating grimness of modern office life 跟 here's a more personal level。咁呢個可能要自己解啦。咁我會點樣解咧？我就會話 they cannot separate 呢個 work work life and their work life and their personal life，所以即係用翻前面 work life balance 嗰個。但係你話我可唔可以抄翻前面呢樣嘢咧？係可以嘅。咁你就話 they have so thoroughly mixed work and so 咁就同翻即係 work 同 work life balance 呢樣嘢咧係同樣嘅意思嘅。所以呢個係其中一個答案。咁你就話仲有冇啲 alternative 嘅答案啊？應該唔止呢樣嘢嘅喎。咁考完嗰個答案都係講翻work and personal life 啦，跟住話 cannot separate 啦。所以其實咧呢個位已經係解釋完㗎啦。即係我寫翻先，即係 positive 咧就係直接去 copy 啦，就係 leverage， 即係 better equip。最簡單嚟講就係呢個 the advantage is 啦，或者話係 positive thing is 啦，跟住就話 leverage， 跟住 to 因為跟 to 你就轉翻做 can， 因為 can 通常咧都係一啲model word， 咁你後邊就唔使轉 tense， 你唔使理嗰啲咩 part of speech 呢啲嘢，我覺得係有啲用嘅，所以咧 can 呢個咧係特別重要嘅對我嚟講。跟住 can leverage technology 啊，跟住就去翻 push back against workplace norms 呢堆嘢咧，咁我就唔抄啦。跟住 negative 呢個咧，就呢度都好多嘢抄㗎啦，但係你即係最少都有thoroughly mixed work and self 啦，跟住亦都可能話係佢哋 hit some more personal level cannot separate their personhood from their jobs 啦。咁你寫翻一樣就得㗎啦，因為佢哋話 they need to 咪即係佢哋而家做唔做到啊？就係做唔到咯。即係 now they currently cannot do something， 所以你個答案就會係 cannot 咩咧 ？cannot separate their personhood from their jobs。咁 personhood 係咩意思咧？即係 personal life 咯。好啦，去到第63題啊！哇，咁多人嘅點算啊？好啊，你見到有 example 咧，即刻同我查咗 Tricia Hersey。好啊，就話成篇嘢你就要睇翻啲人嗰啲名係出現喺邊度。咁通常咧，你諗唔到，你好驚呢啲題目嘅話，你記唔記得我講咗啲咩啊？就係話睇翻第一句同埋最後一句啊嘛。咁佢就用 test five 喎，咁我又就睇第一段先喎。第一段有冇啲有用嘅嘢啊？即係第一句最後一句，佢都係講啲 news 嗰啲嘅人啫喎。即係 New York Times、Wall Street Journal 都唔係呢堆名嘅，所以就唔關事嘅。第一段唔使睇。第二段咯喎，咦？突然間就見到有個叫 Carrie Ploujer PhD， 即係關佢事咯喎。咁我哋睇咗佢講咗，但係我會中意咧，就用一支唔同嘅 highlight pen， 因為前面用咗黃色 highlight pen 啊嘛。咁而家我哋就可能轉色，轉藍色、紫色都好啦。咁我哋就去即係呢個就專用嚟揾人嘅。咁 Carrie Ploujer 出現咗喺度啦，跟住第三段咦都有出現 Ploujer 喎，最後一句，跟住最後一句第四段都有出現喎。咁2、3、4我哋不如就睇下有冇啲即係我哋去所謂釣下魚睇下有冇啲相關嘅資料先喎。我哋嘗試將 Carrie Ploujer 去擺入去咯喎，佢就話 defines quiet quitting as a renewed effort to really focus on the job and what isn't， 亦都講嗰啲人嘅 reason 去 leave 啦，跟住再講埋就係話有啲人咧就係有啲 work-life 嘅 balance 啦。咁呢樣嘢咧佢即係佢最主要講嗰個嘅 point 咧，應該就係話 for some people 有啲人係咁樣諗 ，but I think for others is something else， 即係佢哋有冇一樣嘅reason 去 quiet quitting 咧？因為佢哋講 quiet quitting 啊嘛，應該係呢樣嘢。咁所以就話 different people do this for different reasons 咧， 就係 quiet quitting 啦，因為佢一開始咧佢都 define 緊 quiet quitting，佢都講緊 quiet quitting，所以你要諗翻 this 係咩意思咧？應該就易少少會揾到佢嗰個 reasons 呢樣嘢，即係呢個係 paragraph 3。所以呢度寫翻個 A。好啦 ，B 已經用完喎，咁我哋試下睇 C 阿 Callum Borchers 喺邊度喎？我哋再落去衝落去咯喎，嗱 Tricia 已經唔關事啦。第6段冇人啦，跟住第七段已經有 Callum Borchers 喎。好啦，佢話咩啊 ？The perils of quiet quitting。咁 perils 通常咧，如果你有去學字嘅話咧，你會知道呢個係 negative 啦。但係你再睇多啲字咧，佢咩 quiet firing 啊 suffer 呢啲嘢，你都諗到大概係negative 嘅詞性㗎啦。咁佢應該都係講啲 negative 嘅嘢㗎啦，有機會。佢就話啦 ，companies always had subtle ways to nudge people out the door，即係佢哋想炒人啦。亦都去減少佢做嘅嘢啦，跟住佢第8段咧已經係轉咗人，已經轉咗做 worry 啦，所以我哋不如睇下 Callum Borchers 佢講啲乜嘢咯喎。佢就話啦，咦，通常都係講壞嘢喎，咁呢樣嘢有啲咩咧？佢就話有啲即係老細會炒咗你喎，佢最主要就係講你，咁我哋睇下有冇其他你嘅答案先。咦，佢話 those around you 喎，咁炒咗你，第一個會影響嘅人係邊個啊？係你自己，唔係你隔離嘅人。你隔離嘅人係炒完你之後，你少咗個人，佢先會少嘢開工㗎嘛。所以咧，佢講嘅單詞咧就應該係呢一度，因為係講你自己會先做樣。有條寫一寫啊，跟住最先做樣。好啦，我哋用完 A 用完 C， 好啦，跟住因為佢話 each letter can be used once only 啊嘛，跟住呢度咁啱有7個位，跟住即係每樣嘢都會用，而即係你最後都係要咩都要睇晒㗎啦。好啦。阿 Worry 佢就係一個 CEO， 佢就話啲咩咧？佢就話你講少啲嘢，你就突然間係即係做唔到啲咩咯喎？咁點算咧？跟住佢亦都話啦，又影響到 fellow colleague 啊，你又 change 唔到個 organisation 啊，亦都話co-worker 有啲問題，你要 keep vision 啊，即係簡單嚟講，就係影響到其他人啊嘛。咁佢啲有冇講其他人啊 other people 啊，those around you 嗰類嘅説話？咦，呢個有喎，咁已經可以寫到落去咯。好啦，剩翻3個，但係我都唔即係無論剩翻2個定剩翻3個，我都唔建議你去賭博嘅。你真係要認真睇完佢，除非你話我剩翻1分鐘，咁就由得你啦。好啦，我哋再睇落去我哋做完 A、B、C、D 嘛，我哋而家睇下 Shai Khan 啊，即係頭先嗰個 TikTok 嗰條友應該係 The Influencer Shai Khan。佢就話 Your worth as a person is not defined by your labour。即係簡單嚟講，你係咪佢講 worth 係咪好重要啊？佢係重要，但係唔應該有啲其他嘢係重要啲嘅喎。咁所以就係話 look beyond the daily for life's true value， 即係 not just work。所以我會覺得 E 會擺呢度。好啦 ，F 同 G 咧唔好當我認真啊！即係你最後都其實呢啲即係matching 嘅題目咧攞分咧，你只要有耐性，你只要俾自己10分鐘，通常都揾得晒。好啦，咦而家呢度就見到有 Cal Newport 呢個人啦。第10段，好啦，咁佢就話咩咧？我哋 Gen Z 咧有啲咩特別嘢嘅喎？佢哋可以 push back against workplace norms，即係佢哋係勁嘅喎。咁係咩意思咧？即係佢哋做到，佢哋可以 can do more 咯。They can lead the way 咯。咁所以呢度可以擺 F 啦。咁排除晒所有嘢咧，當然 G 就擺喺呢度啦。但係如果你仲要解嘅話咧，佢就話 work has its place in life 點樣寫咧？佢係睇啦話，最後呢個係 Barnaby Ladbrokes， 咁佢喺呢度擺嘅。佢就話。Of course we had to work， 咁呢個咧其實已經解完㗎啦，即係佢覺得 work 係重要，即係佢話有瓦遮頭同埋有食物，所以佢就話即係 work 都係重要嘅。咁呢度咧，咁解完咧，經過答案就係 dot A G F C E。我到最後一個啦，佢淨係叫你睇 comment section， 即係前面嗰11段咧咩都唔使睇。Which of the following will be cynical？cynical 嘅即係咩咧？通常都係諗一個 sarcastic 或者一個negative 嘅諗法，就係話 quiet quitting 咧係it's not rightful today，因為佢係因為負加正啊嘛 rightful today。諗下負正會等於咩啊？負咯，即係你諗下邊個喺度鬧人啊？咁一開始就話第一條友 Nicky 就話我覺得咧quiet quitting 咧即係 work is an evolution it has to happen， 即係佢冇講幾多嘢啦，即係可能係 neutral 啦。跟住有條友話 I'm not going to work， I'm not going to pull myself up by my bootstraps， I'm not going to work 60 hours， 即係佢係支持呢個嘅佢支持呢個 quiet quitting 嘅 trend 喎。所以咧，我會形容為 positive。再睇埋 Jessup 話 You are a loser. This is like a virus. This is worse than COVID。佢就講緊佢就講 quiet quitting is not right 喎。咁我哋可以寫定 negative。但係我哋 check 埋最後嗰個先。I rather my quit was a quiet quitter than being unemployed。即係簡單嚟講，佢話有條友應該係佢都支持 quiet quitting 嘅喎，因為即係起碼你都有份工開啊嘛，所以咧你咁樣睇嘅話，邊個係 negative 啊？得一個係 negative 啫喎，就係 C 咯，就係嗰個Jessup 咯。好啦，咁就解完啦。咁我知道咧我寫嘅稿啦，可能係比以前嘅片比較少啦。可能因為我呢度嗰個嘅成份嘅 reading 嘅嗰個嘅 passage 都間咗好多嘢啦，或者寫咗好多嘢啦。咁所以我都覺得可能呢個 approach 係有少少嘅 limitation。咁如果你話你想要我寫嘅少少字啊，或者話你去重溫翻啦，你想要翻個 document 啦，我都可以即係擺去個 Google Drive 度嘅，你即係到時問翻我就得㗎啦。咁希望咧你哋都可以即係幫呢啲嘅解卷嘅 video 俾翻啲 feedback 我，因為我真係唔知道我有邊時嗰啲嘅decision 係做得啱嘅，即係我嘗試去改進我呢個嘅efficiency 啊或者 quality 呢樣嘢啦，我都唔知道我做得好定唔好嘅，但係希望呢個解卷嘅 video 咧可以解釋到少少點解我做卷嘅方法同埋佢點樣幫到你啦。咁今次就咁先啦，由於而家都打緊颱風啦，好夜啦，所以咧記得大家早啲瞓覺，或者自己唞啦，即係操卷都要記得唞啊。即係我覺得呢個就係 quiet quitting 嘅想講，就係你都要理下你嘅 personal life， 你都要理翻你自己有個 work-life balance。